So guys, today I'm gonna be testing out my Lodge cast iron baking pan that Lodge sent me, and this, remember, Lodge is made in the USA, so we support local. I'm gonna be doing some burgers. Now this comes pre-seasoned, ready for use. I'm gonna still wash it out because, you know, during shipping you don't know dust and all of these things. So I'm just gonna rinse it out, then we'll put some oil on it and we're going to be doing some burgers. It's not going to be a recipe, it's just going to be testing all this. And this is also great for making roti on. So if you're looking for something to make roti on, like Dhalpuri and paratha bus-up shot, this is really perfect. And I will test it out cooking a roti for you guys, so you all will see. Okay guys, now it's time to cook some burgers. So I have my cast iron pan on medium heat. I'm going to add some oil to help cook the burgers. I just want to spread out the oil evenly. Okay, so let's place our burgers. I already made the patties, nice fresh patties. Hear that sizzle? So guys, I really like the quality of the cast iron pan. I love how the burgers are coming out. It's something that I definitely recommend you get one of. I'll try to do the roti video as soon as possible so you all can see. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you again to Lodge for sending me this. I will leave the link to purchase in the description box, and I'll see you in my next video.